Place the Vizio TV on a stable table where you can comfortably reach the back and sides. Make sure the Vizio TV is turned on so you can clearly see the lines on the screen. Slowly observe whether the lines on the Vizio TV move, flicker, or stay completely still. Unplug the Vizio TV from the wall power outlet. Hold down the power button on the Vizio TV for 30 seconds to drain any stored charge. Plug the Vizio TV back into the wall and turn the Vizio TV on again. Check if the lines on the Vizio TV have reduced or disappeared. If the lines are still visible, turn the Vizio TV off again. Gently move the power cable where it connects to the Vizio TV to ensure it is firmly seated. Remove the HDMI cable from the back of the Vizio TV. Inspect the HDMI port on the Vizio TV for any dust or debris. Reconnect the HDMI cable firmly back into the Vizio TV. Turn the Vizio TV back on and check if the lines have changed. If the lines remain, switch to a different HDMI input on the Vizio TV. Use the input button on the Vizio TV to cycle through sources. If the lines appear on every input, the issue is likely within the Vizio TV itself. Turn the Vizio TV off again. Lay the Vizio TV flat, screen facing upward, on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Carefully remove the back panel screws of the Vizio TV. Gently lift and remove the back cover of the Vizio TV. Locate the T-con board in the center upper area of the Vizio TV. Find the ribbon cables that connect the T-con board to the screen of the Vizio TV. Gently unlock the ribbon cable clips on the Vizio TV by lifting the small latch. Carefully pull out each ribbon cable from the Vizio TV connection point. Use a soft clean microfiber cloth to wipe the ends of the ribbon cables on the Vizio TV. Also clean the connector ports on the Vizio TV where those cables plug in. Reinsert each ribbon cable firmly back into the Vizio TV and close the clips securely. Make sure the ribbon cables sit flat and are not bent on the Vizio TV. Before closing the back panel, plug in the Vizio TV and power it on briefly. Check the Vizio TV screen to see if the lines have changed or reduced. If the lines have improved, continue to the next step to finalize the repair. If the lines have not changed, power off the Vizio TV again. Locate the panel driver boards along the left and right sides of the Vizio TV. Gently press along the edge of the panel driver boards on the Vizio TV to ensure secure contact. Use your fingers to lightly press the bonded tabs where the screen connects to the electronics on the Vizio TV. Turn the Vizio TV back on and look for any reaction in the lines. If pressing affects the lines, it indicates a loose panel bond in the Vizio TV. Turn the Vizio TV off again to avoid damage. Apply a small strip of foam padding along the edge where you pressed on the Vizio TV. The foam will help maintain pressure on the Vizio TV tab connections when assembled. Carefully reattach the back cover of the Vizio TV and tighten all screws. Place the Vizio TV upright again. Plug in the Vizio TV and power it on. Check if the foam pressure fix improved the Vizio TV display. If the lines are gone, the Vizio TV repair was successful. If the lines remain but are now fewer, the Vizio TV may need slight pressure adjustment. Turn off the Vizio TV again and open the back once more. Adjust the foam padding placement on the Vizio TV driver board area. Reassemble and test the Vizio TV again. If the lines appear only when the Vizio TV warms up, the bonding may be failing permanently. At this stage, professional repair of the Vizio TV screen may be necessary. However, many users find the foam pressure technique keeps the Vizio TV working for years. Turn the Vizio TV on one more time to confirm the final display condition. Make sure the Vizio TV image is stable and no flickering is present. Return the Vizio TV to its normal standing position and reconnect any consoles or devices. Clean the screen of the Vizio TV gently using a microfiber cloth. Avoid pressing too hard on the Vizio TV screen while cleaning. Let the Vizio TV run for a few minutes to confirm the fix holds. If the Vizio TV display remains clear, the repair is successful. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more Vizio TV repair guides.